Hello and welcome to X-Geo, to learn Spanish. Here we'll provide you with daily lessons to become fluent in Spanish in less than 60 days. Subscribers to our channel can watch all of our daily lessons for free. In this lesson, we're going to be reviewing sentences focused around key words from today's vocabulary video. If you haven't already, we recommend that you watch the today's vocabulary lesson before watching today's sentences that utilize those words. When watching this video, we will say the English word, then the Spanish word. Then we'll provide an English sentence and say the Spanish sentence twice. Repeat with us the second time we speak the sentence. Then pause the video to write the sentence on paper. Be sure to subscribe.
Asegúrate de suscribirte. Gracias.
Let's get started. To build.
Para construir.
To build a house.
Para construir una casa. Para construir una casa.
To carry.
Llevar.
To carry food to school.
Llevar comida a la escuela. Llevar comida a la escuela.
To cook.
Cocinar.
First, the child wants to cook.
Primero, el niño quiere cocinar. Primero, el niño quiere cocinar.
To dance.
Bailar.
I will try to dance.
Intentaré bailar. Intentaré bailar.
To draw.
Dibujar.
I will draw a picture.
Voy a hacer un dibujo. Voy a hacer un dibujo.
To drive.
Conducir.
I am going to drive the car.
Voy a conducir el coche. Voy a conducir el coche.
To eat.
Comer.
First, I want to eat something good.
Primero, quiero comer algo bueno. Primero, quiero comer algo bueno.
To help.
Ayudar.
First, I am going to help you.
Primero, te voy a ayudar. Primero, te voy a ayudar.
To hug.
Abrazarlo.
I am going to hug my sister.
Voy a abrazar a mi hermana. Voy a abrazar a mi hermana.
To laugh.
Reír.
I am going to laugh.
Me voy a reír. Me voy a reír.
To learn.
Aprender.
I am going to learning English today at school.
Voy a aprender inglés hoy en la escuela. Voy a aprender inglés hoy en la escuela.
To listen.
Escuchar.
My teacher is going to listen to the children.
Mi maestra va a escuchar a los niños. Mi maestra va a escuchar a los niños.
To look for.
Buscar.
I am about to look for the ball.
Estoy a punto de buscar la pelota. Estoy a punto de buscar la pelota.
To play.
Jugar.
We are going to play football.
Vamos a jugar al fútbol. Vamos a jugar al fútbol.
To read.
Leer.
I am about to read a good book now.
Estoy a punto de leer un buen libro ahora. Estoy a punto de leer un buen libro ahora.
To run.
Correr.
I am going to run for a mile.
Voy a correr una milla. Voy a correr una milla.
To sing.
Cantar.
He is going to sing a song.
Va a cantar una canción. Va a cantar una canción.
To talk.
Hablar.
I am going to talk to my teacher now.
Voy a hablar con mi maestro ahora. Voy a hablar con mi maestro ahora.
To walk.
Andar.
I am going to walk across the street.
Voy a cruzar la calle a pie. Voy a cruzar la calle a pie.
To yell.
Gritar.
I am going to yell at my friend now.
Voy a gritarle a mi amigo ahora. Voy a gritarle a mi amigo ahora.
Great job! That completes our lesson. We recommend repeating this video and writing each of these sentences, then mix and match the words from today's vocabulary lesson. Be sure to write and speak these sentences aloud. Next, you should watch our conversation videos to fully grasp today's vocabulary. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.